Way to speed writing. Exercise 1. According to modern sales managers, one must acknowledge the great advantage of advertisements. All of them form a basis for sales promotion. Full stop. Altogether, they leave a distinct impression on the mind of the consumer. Full stop. As advertisement and sales boosting techniques go together, any marketing man can confirm this. In spite of anything said to the contrary, advertisements are the base for sales as they spread the image of the product in all directions. Full stop. As is often the case, a sale does naturally result, but a balance must be achieved between advertisement and exaggeration. Full stop. This balance factor must be viable because upon it will depend the effect of the advertisement. Full stop. Advertisements become boring if not properly presented. In fact, they are gradually becoming boring. This trend has been setting in and should be eliminated. Full stop. It must be said on behalf of advertisements that belief in their capabilities spurs the sales teams to greater efforts. Full stop. It is widely believed that beyond certain limits, advertisements lose their charm. It is no use building castles in the air hoping to accomplish a sale with every advertisement, but one can expect most of them to produce results. Stop. One can tell advertisements as the initial step for creating a sale. Full stop. Whatever they are called, they cannot be ignored or forsaken. Full stop. Care is needed to ensure that advertisements are well planned and well presented. Full stop. Any sales manager who hasn't cared to take this measure will certainly not get the certificate of success. Full stop. His chair may seem unpleasant for him as the sales meetings chaired by him may take on a gloomy character without any sign of cheer. Full stop. To get cheered, he must devise such advertisements that appeal to every man, woman, and child. Full stop. Under the circumstances, cold attitude will go and warm and bright zest will come. Full stop.